Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here today. You're going to need pony beads, a long piece of string, um, scissors, a lighter, and a needle. And you're going to need 2 of these pre-made ladder bracelets. I have the tutorial and I will link it down below for you. You're going to start by taking your long piece of string and going through this pink. So you have these 2 ends, and then on this end I just tied this clear bead so it will hold the end, and then we'll tie it together when we get to the end. But you want to line these patterns up to make sure that they're the same on both sides. And we're going to start, well, I guess that part doesn't matter. That'll come later. Okay, so we're going to start by adding 1 clear, 3 pink, 1 clear, 3 yellow, and 1 clear. So that's what it looks like. And we're going to take our needle and we're going to go through this yellow and we're going to go through these green. You're going to pull that tight, and we're going to add a clear, 3 green, a clear, and 3 purple, and a clear. And we're going to go through these 3 purple, and we're going to go through these 3 pink, we're going to add 1 clear, 3 pink, 1 clear, and 3 yellow, and 1 clear. So now we're just repeating our pattern that we started with. And we're going to go through this yellow and back through these green. We're going to add 1 clear, 3 green, 1 clear, and 3 purple, and 1 clear. And then we're going to go through the purple, and through these pink, okay guys, and then we're going to start the pink and yellow pattern again here, and then the purple, or the green and purple. So we're just going to keep doing that until we get to the end back here, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to continue to do that, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I finished all the way around, and then I took my needle and I went through these purple beads. So now we can tie these 2 strings together. So just remove that clear bead and then tie these together, and then you can cut the little piece off. And now you're going to take your needle and you're going to go through these pink, this clear, these 3 pink, and this clear. Okay, now we're going to add 3 yellow and 1 clear. And this is, now you want to make sure your patterns lined up on both sides. So we're not, so I need to flip this over. Okay. To tell, you just look to make sure that it's the same, and it's the same. So we're going to take our needle and we're going to go through these 3 yellow on the other side. And then we're going to take the needle and we're going to go through this green. And you're going to pull that tight. You're going to add a clear and 3 green. And we're going to take the needle and go through this clear bead. We're going to add 3 purple and 1 clear, and we're going to take our needle and we're going to go through all 3 of these purple, and that's what it looks like so far. And we're going to take the needle and we're going to go through these 3 pink. You're going to add a clear and then 3 pink, and we're going to go through this clear bead. We're going to add 3 yellow and 1 clear, and we're going to go through these 3 yellow, and then we're going to take our string and we're going to go through these 3 green, and that's what the pattern's going to look like in the middle. So we're just going to continue to do this step until we get to the end, and then I'll show you how to tie it off. So to know what color you're on, you just look across here. We're on green, and then the next one will be purple, and then pink, and then yellow. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm at the end here, and this is the last of my beads to add. So I have the clear and the 3 pink. We're going to go through the clear and through all of these beads to tie it off. Like if you wanted, you could tie it off right there. I just feel like it's easier to do it on the side here. All right, cut that off. And this is what it looks like. And this one's nice and comfortable. Has a good amount of stretch to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.